नेवरदलेस, नेवरदलेस, नेवरदलेस का मतलब है फिर भी, के बावजूद, तो भी, ऐसा होने पर भी. The meaning of nevertheless is despite something that has just been mentioned. Nevertheless is an adverb. Nevertheless एक adverb है. It is commonly used as a conjunctive adverb. I'm making example sentences with nevertheless. मैं nevertheless को लेकर sentences बना रहा हूँ. It is very difficult to complete this project in 1 month. Nevertheless, we should try. इसका मतलब है 1 महीने में ये प्रोजेक्ट पूरा करना बहुत कठिन है, मुश्किल है, फिर भी हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए. It is very difficult to complete this project in 1 month. Despite this, we should try. Next example. I did not invite him, but he came nevertheless. इसका मतलब है मैं उसे इनवाइट नहीं किया, लेकिन वो फिर भी आया. Though I did not invite him, he came nevertheless. हम इसे ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. I had not invited him, but he came nevertheless. I did not invite him is simple past tense. I had not invited him is past perfect tense. Next example. I knew that he would not come, but nevertheless I felt bad. इसका मतलब है मुझे मालूम था कि वो नहीं आएगा, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे बुरा लगा. I knew that he would not come. Despite this, I felt bad. Next example. He had a high fever. Nevertheless, he completed the work on time. इसका मतलब है उसे तेज बुखार था, फिर भी वो काम टाइम पे पूरा किया. Though he had a high fever, he completed the work on time. Next example. The teacher teaches very well, but nevertheless many students fail. इसका मतलब है टीचर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी कई स्टूडेंट्स फेल होते हैं या फेल हो जाते हैं. यहाँ पे मैं कोई पर्टिकुलर टीचर की बात कर रहा हूँ. The teacher teaches very well, despite this many students fail. You make one sentence with nevertheless and write in the comment section. आप एक सेंटेंस बनाओ nevertheless को लेकर और कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो. Now I am saying synonyms of nevertheless. मैं nevertheless के synonyms बोल रहा हूँ. However, in spite of that, nonetheless, still, though, yet. That's all about it.